Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Learning with GP, where learning is simplified. Today we are going to talk about some interesting tips and tricks to get ahead in our online marketing and make a viral splash in the world of social media marketing. Before we get to it, I recommend that you should totally check out my other videos where I talk about thinking whether or not social media marketing is the way to grow your business. I provide a few interesting checklist points in the end of that video that can help you assess that. Once you are sure that social media marketing is the way that will help your business grow, then you are absolutely in the right place, as we are going to talk about how to make the best and create that buzz that your business deserves in the world of social media with few steps. So as always, I will repeat myself once again, analytics is really important to nail down. We have and are continuously collecting so much data about human behavior, so let's take advantage of it and utilize it to help grow our business better. Get access to that data collected by Google, Statista, or other hubs, and understand what is your customer's pain point, inspiration points, and align those to your products and services and win your customers. Okay, so in our previous video, we nailed down the target audience, their location, and their favorite media channel. Now let's try framing our strategy to gain their attention and entice them with our product. Therefore, we need a viral marketing strategy, meaning that we need to create that splash in the market that gets them talking, using, and evangelizing our products. Based on the studies done, you can sort of categorize your customers in 5 ways. And this starts with the first one, where the customer is satisfied. Satisfaction. This is the first step, as this is the stage the customer is with you until their expectations are met and they are satisfied. And it's going to be the first step where you begin to get them as well. Then comes the repeat purchase. At this stage, the customer actually likes your product and comes back to buy the same or other products from you based on the trust earned from the first experience. Then at the next stage, the customer is satisfied about the product to a great extent and is actively recommending other people they know to try it out as well. And this type of promotion is known as word of mouth or buzz stage. Then comes evangelism. Now, the customer at this stage is totally convinced by your product and feels confident and is ready to actively promote your product. And the final stage, ownership. Customer feels a certain extent of ownership and feels like a contributor in the success of your organization. To get through all these 5 stages, we have to start out with our new product at the stage 1. There are a few simple steps to get to the hearts of our customer and even make them your spokesperson quick and efficiently. So let's get started. Step 1. Identify influential individuals and companies. Find those early adopters, policymakers, famous reviewers, and influencers. You can find these information online using different analytics software available. Find where they are and even who they are sometimes depending on their influence levels, and devote extra effort to them. Step 2. Supply the key people with the product samples. The other important thing, just after you found those influencers with fan following, is to let people try your product or service before they have to make any commitment to them. For example, let's get back to our cybersecurity company. If you want your cybersecurity services to be tried out for a long-term contract, you need to provide them with a free POC. POC is proof of concept, so that they get to know and see for themselves the services that you are providing and that you are worth hiring for. Definitely ask them to review your services on paper or webpage, Facebook, LinkedIn, testimonials, or wherever you can. Make it available to other potential users and buyers. On the other side, if you are a product-based company, let's say you are a cosmetics company, so then let people try that skincare or makeup range to make sure that they know that it really feels good on them and is to their liking. Another example will be, let's say you are in an automobile industry. So then let people have test drives to make sure that the car feels absolutely right to them. So they know exactly what to expect when they buy that car. Step 3, work through the community influential. By this, what I mean is that you can let everyone try your sample product and services, but screen for higher impact community influencers. Look for the ones that are most relied upon on social media by your target audience. Okay, I have to repeat myself over and over again that you can select these people by using Google Analytics and other available analytics services, which can come in super handy. Let these community influential try your car or skincare product or cybersecurity services first and share their reviews with others. The benefit of letting these high-impact influencers have the product helps in generating more results per positive review as they are trusted by many. So you get quicker results. Make sure that your product is distributed evenly in different sections of your target audience so that you get a healthy set of review for all types of people who potentially avail your product or service. For example, if you're working on skincare line, then provide sample of your line to influencers of different skin types. Give your products to oily, dry, mixed skin types just to ensure that your skincare line gets a full, rounded set of feedback. Of course, you should explain the products well and follow the relevant protocols when doing such sample promotions. A cool example of this is Chevrolet. They let 100 millennial influencers to try their car for a period of 6 months, and in return, these people blogged about their experiences and generated millions of views on YouTube and Twitter feed, and tens of thousands of potential buyers. Same goes for any other product or service, be it a blender, skincare cream, or your cybersecurity service. You have to let people try it and let them express their views where other potential buyers can read it. Step 4. Develop word-of-mouth referral channels to build business. These reviews that we have collected are going to be massively helpful, as these are going to make other people try it and further recommend it to their friends and family members. Step 5. Engage with customers. Provide crucial information that customers will want to pass along. You shouldn't talk to the customers in a way you would talk when you do a press release or you talk to your well-versed colleagues or office mates in the field. You should try to relate to them at their level. Try imagining yourself in their footsteps. Take a simple example of when you are looking for a hair color or you're looking for a new face wash. What would you like to be helped with by the seller? So try to use personal tones, talk with them, feel the reason they would want to use your product and use those points and approach in that way to pique their interest. It should not be a one-way stream of you giving information, but rather a two-way stream where you incorporate their feedback actively and provide them with better and enhanced solutions, making yourself their only choice. So these are my quick 5 steps for making that buzz and creating viral marketing for your product and service in the world of social media marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the other videos, I talk about parameters that will help you track your marketing success, estimate your market size, etc. points. So do check them out. With these basic tips and tricks, you are going to be on a great path to starting your marketing strategy. If there are any key points you want me to talk about in detail, let me know in the comments below and I will get to them. Do subscribe to my channel and share the content with anybody whom you think is interested or can learn from it. So that's it for today. I will see you soon with more simplified learning. Bye!